Today we will learn how to create date table using DAX. In this video, we will use multiple DAX functions in order to create one date table in our existing Power BI model. First step, go to table view, then click on new table and we'll give one date table. You can give any name, date table equal. First step will be we will use add columns because in the date table we want as one date column, year column, quarter, month number and month name. So first function we will use calendar auto. Then after adding calendar auto, the next step is we have to give a name to our column. So let's say our first column will be year column here, and then for taking out the year from the date column we will use year function, then date. Next step is we want quarter, so name of the column will be quarter. Again one DAX function is there, quarter, then date. Next we want month number. For month number we can use month function, then we have to specify the date, then month name. So month name we can use, for month name we can use format function with date, and the format will be mm. And let's say we want month name as well as year also, so we can use yy, and we'll change the name of month name to month yy. Close this and then close this bracket. I'm done. So in this we have one date column, one year column, quarter, month number and month along with the year. See, April 14, April 15, 16 and all. In this way we can create one date table with the help of these DAX.